All right, I must say that I am impressed by my first paint job ever. Okay, so this is the front and rear bumper. The rear bumper was my test subject. When I put the sealer down on that, I didn't have the pressure on the gun high enough, and so what it did is it left a little orange peel. So I've been layering up the color enough that when I put the clear, I'm gonna put 3 layers of clear, I'll be able to sand that out. I'm really impressed by this. Once I got a understanding of how the gun flows and the pressure that's required, I was able to paint pretty seamlessly. I mean, no runs. That's pretty crazy for my first paint job. So this is the Obsidian Black. It's like a Mercedes-AMG Black, the factory black. It's just the base coat. No clear yet. I'm about to put the clear on there. I'm mixing the clear now. Here goes the front bumper. I mean, I got that perfect. So far, I think I only got one little bug that landed on. I'll be able to buff that out. I mean, this is smooth, man. Smooth. That's crazy. It's my first paint job right here, man. I'm thoroughly impressed. Once again, the sealer on the rear bumper, I did not have the pressure up high enough. And so it orange peel. It's okay. Kind of looks worse than it is in person. Like I said, 3 layers of clear, I'll be able to take 1 layer off and smooth that out. I could smooth out the base, but I don't want to do that because I used a black without all the necessary pigments. I did like 3 layers of that. Then I put a base, then I put the correct paint coat on top of it. The AMG black, which has the little flake in it. So it's just 1 layer of flake and like 3 layers of just black. So that right there, again, I did that in order to help smooth out some of those orange peel. It was worse. I mean, it was worse. But again, most people, their first paint jobs, they usually get orange peel. Even professionals sometimes get orange peel. But it's just a process of buffing that out. Then again, it's the rear bumper. Now the front bumper, I got that perfect, like I said. I did what I was supposed to do on that once I understood the pressure and everything. So I'm doing the front bumper, rear bumper first. Then I am going to get that together. So I still have to do a little bit of sanding in the crevices to make sure that the paint adheres properly. I don't want to take any chances. I might take the hood off. So once I get from these bumpers, I think I'm gonna take the hood off, paint that separately, just because that's an art in itself. And I want to make sure that that's perfect. The rest of the body, man, should be pretty simple. Now that I understand how to use the spray gun. So again, I'm pretty happy, very happy. I'm astounded by my ability to be able to paint for the first time and understand it. So hopefully I'm not talking too soon. I'm not confident too early in the process. But again, I'm very impressed and I understand what to do and what not to do. Keep in mind that I used to do this with spray paint cans. So of course the process is more intricate, it's more detailed. I bet you get a better quality paint job, a better lasting paint job. But for me to be able to do it with cans and to do it so smooth you can't tell that I use cans. Now that I'm using the real equipment the proper way, it's coming natural, you know? So I'm happy about that, man. So the confidence is there now. I'm not stressed like I was before. I'm good. This paint job is going down. Easy Customs back in effect. I'm pushing this whip before the winter time. And if not, I'll paint it, finish it, do all the details to it, and I'll pull it out next spring. I don't care. I got time. What's the rush? You know what I'm saying? It ain't my only car. I'll be good. I'll pull it out when I'm ready. But it's definitely going good, though. I'm happy about that. Peace out.